Do you really want to be a trader? Like genuinely, sit down and ask yourself this. Because if you really want it, as much as you say you do, why are you letting a few losses and a few silly mistakes bring doubt into your mind? If you really want to be a trader, then go get it. Stop telling people that you're going to be profitable. Go and make it happen. Most people fail because most people are stupid. Like seriously, the majority of people are making silly mistakes over and over and over again. You are going to be different. You're going to learn from the losses. You're going to be disciplined with your risk. You're going to be consistent. And you're not going to treat it like a hobby. You're going to treat it like a business. If you want to be a trader, then go and get it.